So what does manifesting mean to you, Reggie?
I've been manifesting my whole life since I was like 6 years old, to be honest with you. I remember watching like movies and I seen like these guys in college, and like I'll tell myself I'm gonna go to college, get my degree, get my education. And I tell myself I'm gonna play college football, and if football don't work out, I'm going to the NFL. I'm become a real estate agent like my godmother. She played like a pivotal role in my life, and like I was always around her, and I just loved her so much. She ended up passing away when I was 13 years old in 2015, but like my goal is to always make my godmother proud in whatever I do, so I always take everything serious. So yeah, I always manifest as a kid. Like I said, I always told myself, if football don't work out, I'll become a good real estate agent. I think I will, because I seen her live in action as a kid. So like,
natural.
and it's like ironic because she was a Hispanic woman too, and Haji's Hispanic. not to say like that. Not to say like that. No. But like, she was in real estate.
This is your godmother.
Godmother, yeah. And like, she ended up doing real estate, and like we both ended up doing real estate. So like, yeah, I think I manifested my life as a kid, which is crazy.
It's crazy.
But his godmom was literally like would sell luxury real estate in LA.
In LA, yeah.
Yeah.
And where in LA?
So you can speak.
Like the Woodland Hills area, Calabasas, Hollywood Hills, yeah.
Oh wow.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So you kind of grew up around real estate.
I grew up around real estate, so I seen what it can do for you if you like work hard and like put your head down.
Wow.
Yeah.
Have you guys read the book The Secrets or watched the movie?
Mm-mm.
No, I haven't. No.
I'm so shocked. It's like a really famous book, and it's all about manifestation.
No.
And the movie's a little bit tacky, but the book is really good. Yeah.
I gotta check it out.
Yeah, The Secrets is all about manifestation. And I just thought, is this guy delusional?
Yeah.
Does this really work?
Yeah.
And then I actually they talk about vision board, they talk about manifestation and the number 1111, make a wish, those like little, it's like, it seems tacky, but the book is all about manifestation, visualizing.
Yeah, like literally,
everything.
This is my wallpaper.
Yeah.
Because I have a vision board, like I look at
Oh,
it every
wow.
day. Like rich off real estate. Like I
have a
just
vision board too.
yeah, it's like I just anytime I look at my phone, which is all day, like I'm gonna look at it.
Yeah, you guys are gonna love the book and the movie, The Secrets.
Yeah.
Definitely
We'll
check it
definitely
out.
watch
Yeah.
it.
Definitely gotta watch it.
Another sponsored ads because you guys are not paid.
That's a great point.
Yeah.
So, definitely get that book. So, Reggie, I didn't know that about you, that you were always thinking about pursuing real estate.
Yeah, always.
Okay. Because I thought Hati was in it,
That's what
and then maybe you saw a little success, or it just rubbed off on you or something, but you always wanted to do it.
No, yeah.
It's actually funny because I only met like Christina, Lex, and all of you guys because Reggie.
He started it. Yeah.
Like,
What do you mean by that? How?
Because it was my godmom's like best friend and my mom's best friend that told Hati to go to, what was it, Score?
the score, like
Score
a
event,
score. Yeah, I had no idea what to do, and nobody.
How did they know about Score?
So she was just in the industry. So she told me like the first thing you need to do when you become an agent is like join an association.
Correct. The first thing that you do as a realtor is not work. The first thing you do is pay fees. Yeah. And these fees are every year. Yes.
Every year.
Yes.
I had no idea.
Yes.
Thousands.
Yes.
Yeah. I had no idea what to do.
Uh-huh.
I had never met a real estate agent in my life. Never met a mortgage broker.
Mm-hmm.
I think one of my childhood friends, her dad, I think was a mortgage broker, but I never knew anybody like in the industry. So I asked Reggie, Reggie, can you connect me with anybody that from your godmom's connections I could just like not necessarily mentor me, but like give me some sort of mentorship. And then he connected me with his godmom's old like friend who did real estate, and she told me go to Score.
Right.
The first thing you need to do is like if you really want to learn something, like go to their events or their classes and like do something, because they'll teach you how to do like what's a TDS, like those types of stuff.
Yes.
So I literally went and I was like, oh, women's council, like that sounds like something I would be interested
Because
in.
you saw it on a flyer, or
Online.
Christina was. Oh,
Online.
okay.
So I just literally was like, let me look online. Okay, Score is the one I would need to join. Let me look. Oh, there's a women's council event. Let me just go. And I was on vacation, freaking out. Like I was in Europe, freaking out. Like I need to just like get home, and this is my home. I'm actually like from LA, but this is my home, right? It's like I need to get home and I need to just like start. Like I can't. So I left the vacation early and I just like went to the literally flew.
You sound like a real realtor already.
Yeah.
Really?
You're stressing out on vacation.
Yeah.
And then you might leave a vacation early to go back to work.
He wants to see a house.
Yeah.
Yep. So came back, flew in, Next day, went to a women's council realtors event at SCORE. Literally 6 months later was the vice president. But because I met Christina, I went to a Tuesday meeting, met Lex, and
The rest was history.
Pretty much.
So that's how you met
I wouldn't have
the team.
I wouldn't
It
have
was
been
all
able-
because of him.
Reggie, yeah.
Right.
I wouldn't be so-
Initially.
but I wouldn't be so involved if it wasn't for her, like me and Lex
Right.
and Christina. So
Right.
You guys manifested each other.
yeah, basically, yeah.
Together. Wow.
So you're from SoCal, Hati.
Yeah.
And then you are also from
From SoCal, yeah.
We're
Okay.
like from the same place.
Same, yeah.
And where's that area called?
So I'm from Santa Clarita,
Okay.
but my parents have their business in the valley.
Okay.
And I went to high school in Los Feliz, like literally a couple streets from the stores.
Okay. And you went to the same high school?
I went to Sierra Canyon High School. It's in the valley as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
His high school's like kind of known.
It's kind of known, yeah. Like Kardashians
San Gabriel Valley or San Fernando?
Kylie Jenner went there. LeBron James son went there. A lot of celebrities went there. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like a known school.
Known school, yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
And he's like a famous football player from there, right?
I wouldn't say famous, but I'm a good football player from there.
He's super
There you go.
tall, too. Yeah. You just gotta show the camera.
Yeah.
Just not doing a quick catwalk.
Reggie did invite me to go work out sometime.
Oh,
So I should take him up on that.
yeah,
Yeah.
you should because
Yeah.
you were there. You were there at laser tag. We had a team bonding.
Oh, yes.
That
Okay.
was so good.
So I think Reggie got first
yes,
Yeah.
once or twice. I don't think it.
I think twice.
it was pretty tiring.
Really? You got it
I
twice?
Twice, yeah, twice.
I
Okay.
can't remember.
Yeah.
You asked the questions for later.
So, I wanted to know your secrets because it was really dark in the laser tag room, and then Reggie.
It was dark.
Right, kept shooting me. And then there was sometimes I looked at the mirror and then they bounced back on me. And then I was like, why is my score getting so low? And it just sounds so bad. Like it was like pew, 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 pew.
Honestly, I got that tactic from watching Bad Boys. Bad Boys 2, and like the whole series. I love Bad Boys, so like I learned a lot about like shooting guns, and it's like using like those tactics to like shoot people.
Wow.
Watching Bad Boys.
Wow.
And playing video games, of course, too, like Call of Duty. and
Yeah,
stuff
because
like
we
that.
got like a good like 40 people there and he was first place twice and in a team and solo.
I think we had like 20 people.
Okay, because it felt like 40 when I was in there. I was so
Yeah, a lot of
anxious.
people.
It felt like I don't know. Are you sure it was? It felt like 40. It felt like everybody was trying to get me, and we were.
It was 40.
Yeah, it was 40. It felt like 40. It felt like double. That's how I feel during a real estate transaction too.
Yeah, because
Everything
it's so
is
hectic.
right. It's so hectic. It feels like there's so much going on.
So much going on.
Right.
Yeah.
But I feel like he was so calm and he kept shooting me and Christina and all of us were kind of screaming and then he
I wasn't calm. I was sweating.
like,
was sweating
we were
too.
running, sweating, and then they were always stuck together as a team and I was like, this is over. We're gonna wow.
Location,
Oh, really?
but I went previously with my own team, and we had so much fun.
Yeah.
Because it was like the same thing. They had 3 levels.
Yeah.
And you're constantly running.
Yeah.
That was my first time playing laser tag.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It was? No way.
Yeah, and I was like, let's do it again, but nobody wants to do it.
It was fun. It was
And
fun.
it-
Want to?
We want to. I want to. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, not with him though, because then I can't have a
With a
first.
little more people.
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely.
Because I think it's very competitive, and I feel like I got to see everybody in a real estate transaction inside a dark room. I'm like, look at this,
true.
look at the strategy.
true.
Like Christina is screaming, she's
Right.
aggressive, she's yelling. Lex is quiet. He's just like, he acted like how he would be in a real estate transaction, right? He just focused and like quiet and not screaming. Whereas we are screaming, yelling, aggressive. Yeah. And then he was just shooting in the mirror and then like going in and out. And then she was just like laughing. And I was like, why is she laughing? I could hear her. And then every time I shoot her, then he's just like, I'm going to shoot you 10 more times. And I'm like, she got backup, forget it. And I go shoot Thomas. And me and Thomas,
You didn't get me at all.
I did. And he starts running.
The first round we were on teams.
It was just
The
crazy.
second round we were on teams. Yeah.
Yeah, we were in teams, and then being in teams, I don't know if it was better. I actually like teams.
I like teams too. I like
Yeah,
teams. Teams
yeah.
is fun.
I like teams.
I like free for all.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No.
And I liked the faster way that they did it, where it resets quicker.
Yeah, I like that one too.
Yeah, I like that one
it's
too.
way better.
Yeah.
I like
But-
teams. I did better on teams.
Sometimes when you play with kids, they like if you shoot them, they'll shoot you back. And I don't think that's as fun. Like you should get someone else. But it's cool. It's laser tag.
Kids?
No. I don't just shoot kids.
The little
I shoot
kid-
everyone.
The little kid
Yeah.
back there just shooting you over and over again. I'm like,
Exactly.
"Rip somewhere,
yeah,
man."
where they just come after you. So you know, it's whatever. It's a fun time regardless.
I
Yeah.
think it's the stress reliever for all the realtors and
Yeah.
lenders.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like, even like Lex was like, I have a headache, but then he like got second place, and we're like, oh man, he got second place.
Yeah.
What if he wasn't? Right?
Yeah.
So one of the rules is like no contact, no running, but I was doing all of that.
me too.
It was full contact.
Me
Yeah,
too.
yeah, yeah.
Me too.
No, it was
During
fun.
Real estate transaction,
Yeah.
I'm full contact.
Yeah, exactly.
Whatever I learned, but we will stay legal.
Yes, yes.
You know, I will ask the questions that are awkward.
So that was the last team event. I think it was about like 2 months ago.
Yeah.
Um,
Yes.
what would you guys like to see for the next team